Welcome back to Four-Wheel Drive Adventure Crew. My name is Voss, and today we're riding around Dutch Flat. It's a little town northeast of Sacramento, and it has a area where you can ride your off-road vehicles, dirt bikes and everything. The place is a bit trashed up. We haven't been here in a while, but looks like there's more junked cars added here and all kinds of other stuff. But we decided to come out and play. We just finished locker installs on the black Jeep and needed to test those out, and didn't want to go far anywhere before we hit the big trails to make sure that everything works fine. And today we're just driving around, having fun in the mud holes and stuff. So we just stopped here for probably lunch or just a break for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna go look around. Maybe we can find a better spot to have lunch, and then keep driving around, see what else we can find today. It's a pretty beautiful place. Suffered a bit of a fire since summers in here in Sacramento area. A lot of fires in California, but on that, just a beautiful day to be out driving Jeeps. Well, we're playing out here at the Dutch Flat, and my Jeep just got a quick color change, and that one's about to get it too. Looks like he grabbed some water. Come on, come on. That is nasty, nasty mud in here. Blech. Check out my new color scheme for today. Color of poop. Looks like I dragged a little bit too much mud out with me. Check out my pumpkin. It's a muddy pumpkin. It's almost the same color as the Halloween pumpkin. Yeah, there's a lot of mud clay underneath there. Woof! Mark's gonna be pissed washing this car. Let's see how much mud did he drag out. A little bit on that pumpkin, and a little bit on that pumpkin. And there you go. Two brothers parked side by side.
Why do the cars look like they're smiling? Huh? The cars look like they're smiling.
Of course they're smiling. They just came through a mud bath.
Pumpkin smiling.
Two brothers did it. Sister doesn't want to do it, huh?
No. I don't want to wash my car.
And here's another example of trashing up places that people go to. That car a couple years ago used to be way up that hill, and somebody decided to push it all the way down. Fully intact. Most of the car is still there. Crazy. Crazy, crazy times.
While we were exploring the area, we came across this pretty neat cave. There's old metal stuff in here, a bunch of rocks. Looks like it was a place where people would send water down so that they could have water. It's not that big, but it's a pretty cool find.
Well, we just had lunch in this beautiful place. There's a nice waterfall slash cave. It's a big old creek going straight through the rocks. It's really awesome. But we're packing up and we're gonna start driving around. Probably gonna get out through Grass Valley side. We'll see how the road there is. I never drove out this way before because every time I was here the river was high. I did not cross it. Right now it's not high at all. But it's just a small little day for us to do a little bit of a shakedown on the Jeeps. After a good mud bath, you need to do a shower. Well, this is it. We played at Dutch Flat a little bit, came in through Highway 80 and getting out through Grass Valley through the backside of it. So we're filling up our tires and heading home. It's a little short trip for us, but whatever trip we can do, we should make it fun. And it was. So the Tanya's Jeep, the one I got, just 2 Airbnb lockers, front and rear, new gears. Everything seems to be working just fine. So she's ready for some big rocks to come later in the spring and the summer. Stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you. Bye.